Let me say this. Immigrants in the US need a backup plan now before it's too late. This might be hard to hear, but it needs to be said. There's a storm brewing, and immigrants, legal and undocumented, are in the middle of it. The truth is, nobody is truly safe anymore. One political shift, one new policy, and your entire life can be turned upside down overnight. It doesn't matter how long you've been here, how hard you work, or how clean your record is, you are still a target. Now is not the time to get comfortable. It's time to get smart. If you haven't already, it's time to start building a backup plan in your country. Buy a small piece of land. Start constructing a simple house. Invest in something, anything that can give you a soft landing if you ever get forced to leave. This isn't fear-mongering. It's survival thinking. Look around. Raids, deportations, and policy threats. It's all real and it's happening fast. You don't want to be caught unprepared, begging for help when it's too late. You came here to build a better life, but don't forget, you might have to rebuild somewhere else. Be ready, because the future, it's not promised and it's definitely not stable.